Hi, you are watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Right before my eyes, just to Anyway, naging hit po yung Marina. At dahil hit, pina-extend po ng pina-extend. Pina-extend po ng pina-extend ito ni Charo. Hanggang sa sinabi na po ni Wen, naubos na ang kwento ng Marina. Pero, sabi ni Charo, Wen, kailangan natin itong ituloy. Kaya piniga pa rin ito ni Wen. Kaya ayun, nagulat na lang kami, isang araw, lumilipad na si Marina. Siyempre po, ipinatawag si Wen para, pinakiusapan noon, ngayon naman para sermonan. Wen, alam namin, pina-extend namin ito sa'yo. Pero diba, si Rena si Marina, hindi siya isang tutubi. So kilala natin si Wen, like all artists, may taray din yan. Sa totoo lang, mataray talaga si Direk Wen. Pero ayun po, isang salita lang, opo agad, sunod agad. Ganda yun. Bakit lang kapanood ko ulit. I can't wait, I can't wait, I will never win this game without you, without you. I am lost, I am late, I will never be the same without you, without you. I won't run, I won't lie, I will never make it right without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight, all I need is you and time without you, without so I'll take away, can't accept that we're strange without you, without you, without you. Every time, yeah, I can't quit now and be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you, without. I am lost, I am vain, I will never be the same without you, without you, without you.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.